Hello and welcome to VideoNet's interview series at IBC 2015. I'm Barry Flynn and with me I have Matthew Huntington, who's Chief Technology Officer of UK free-to-air satellite platform Freesat. Matthew, welcome.
Thank you.
Last year your former CEO Emma Scott was in that seat and she was telling me about the launch of the Free TV Alliance. Can you remind those in the audience who don't know what that's all about and how things have progressed in 12 months?
Certainly. So the Free TV Alliance is an alliance of free-to-view platform operators, and at the moment that consists of Freesat in France, Freesat in the UK, HD Plus in Germany, and TVSat in Italy. And collectively we have about 8 million homes that we're addressing. And we came together to really promote free-to-view operators and to bring some greater standardization into that market so we could drive greater innovation with our CE manufacturing partners. And over the last year, we've had a good year. We've released our first specification, which was a remote control specification for mobile applications, so that mobile applications can control set-top boxes or our common set-top boxes. And we are continuing to work on a number of key areas, and we'll make announcements in those as they progress.
Right, and yesterday, I guess this is a new type of standard you can share. You were able to offer a connected TV guide solution to other operators and manufacturers outside the UK based on the in-house FreeTime platform. Can you tell me a bit more about what FreeTime is and does, and maybe how closely that the international product, which you're calling Metaphor, I understand,
yes,
relates to that?
So FreeTime is Freesat's smart TV guide, and we launched that back in 2012. And that is a guide that brings together the best of broadcast channels and on-demand services. And we do that through things such as a 7-day rollback guide, through our curated recommendation service we call Showcase, and through things like Universal Search. And that's been very popular with consumers, and now makes up over 50% of our set-top box sales, carrying that FreeTime experience, that FreeTime user experience. And what we have now done is taken that UK service and made it available for international operators, be that satellite, cable, or terrestrial operators. And we've created something that is very customizable, so that operators can bring their own look and feel, but also their own features to that. It's based on a cloud-based service management platform, which gives us the scalability that we need, and we're backing that with the skills and resources from Freesat, so our design experts, our product experts, as well as our in-house operations team. So far we've announced our first customer for that business, which is TVSat, and we'll also have an interesting pipeline of sales to follow up on.
What's the advantage, presumably, is that if you cover a whole lot of different platforms, then you derive economies of scale in the creation of these hybrid.
So we can deliver an economy of scale because we can bring operators onto a platform that we already operate. We can bring them the value from something that's proven in the market rather than developing something from new. But also what is unique about what we're offering is something that understands that a lot of operators aren't bringing their own services, they're actually aggregating together services from different content providers, different on-demand providers. And we're able to provide a UI and a platform that will make that aggregation process easy and cost-effective.
Okay. So what about the progress of Freesat itself? Last month you were talking about 4 million Freesat viewers. I mean, how does that translate into household, and how does that compare to other platforms in the UK?
So the 4 million viewers come from just under 2 million homes that take Freesat. And we've been growing growing since our launch 8 years ago. And last year we grew by 56,000 homes. And so far this year, the first half of this year, we grew by 19,000 homes. And we think that that's quite impressive given the current market dynamics. We also, other areas of our business have grown. For instance, we've now achieved 600,000 downloads of our mobile application, something that's being used both by free-time users, by standard Freesat users, but also free-to-air homes in the UK who want a good, easy-to-use mobile guide.
Right, okay. Does this guide, when it's in app form, does that allow you to actually control the set-top box, or is that something?
So we enable the consumers to use the app to control their set-top box. So they might be doing that to change up and down channel, but from things like our Showcase service, you can pick something on and have the set-top box or TV go to that program. We also have deep links into the on-demand services. So from the backwards guide, you can launch into the programs from the different broadcasters. And we also provide a remote record service. So if people see something in the future that they want to watch, they can book that recording wherever they are in the world from their mobile application, and that will go through to the set-top boxes. What we've done more recently is we've taken that remote record functionality and moved it out of the app. So we can now enable that remote record from anywhere where we can create an internet link. So we can do that within emails, within Facebook posts, within tweets as well, which is helping us provide a valuable service to our customers, but also grow our free-to-air community.
In August, you also mentioned there would be some new free-time products on the way, produced in collaboration with Manhattan and Vestel. Is there any update on that ambition?
So we are working with both Vestel and Manhattan to bring new products to market. Those projects are going well. We'll have new products available by the end of the year, and we'll make announcements with those manufacturing partners when appropriate.
Great. Well, I think that just about wraps it up. Matthew, thanks very much for sparing the time to drop in, and have a good show.
Thank you very much.
And thanks to you, the viewer, for joining us for this VideoNet IBC 2015 interview. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.